Point 1. The transformative power of belief. Many of us dream of a world where all our wishes come true with the wave of a magic wand. Luckily, such sorcery is within reach. Here's an example. A person faced a dire prognosis after a terrible accident. Doctors said they'd never walk again, but instead of giving in to hopelessness, they fully believed they'd recover. They visualized the healing process, and holding on to their beliefs, they overcame every obstacle, defying medical expectations. Keep hope alive even in your darkest hours. This magic isn't confined to healing. Imagine a business owner staring at the ashes of their dreams after a devastating fire. The odds seemed insurmountable, yet hope ignited a flicker within them. Determined, they saw beyond the ashes and discovered a new location the next day. Belief ignited resilience. These stories share a simple truth. Amazing things can happen when people truly believe and picture their goals, showing how powerful our minds can be. It's an unexplainable force that everyone can tap into to shape their destinies. Whether overcoming personal challenges, achieving professional triumphs, or stumbling upon new opportunities, the power of belief is undeniable. Here's how it works. The very thoughts you harbor can propel you toward success or shackle you to limitations. So, believe in the boundless capacity of your mind. It's a superpower that's always been within you. It has sculpted dreams into reality, created fortunes, and rewritten destinies since the dawn of time. Are you prepared to take charge of your destiny, learn about the power of your mind, and ride the currents of belief toward extraordinary success? The journey begins now. Let's explore the potential you never knew you had. Key point 2. Where magic meets science. Every tangible object surrounding us, from household furniture to spacecrafts, began as an intangible thought. It's amazing to think that each creation we encounter daily was once merely an idea in someone's mind. Yet there's more to thinking than just dreaming up new concepts. Our minds are capable of almost superhuman things. A thought coupled with desire can shift the world. Many call this power faith. In essence, you visualize the outcomes you wish for and put all your mental force into it. Sooner or later, it will bring fruit. Faith is the foundation of any religion. It motivates people to walk hundreds of miles on a pilgrimage or pray for hours to fulfill their dreams. And that is where the magic happens. Many indeed receive what they have asked for, whether health, prosperity, or a solution to a problem. However, many non-religious people find believing in the power of thought more challenging. Scientists had experimented and studied the power of the human mind for centuries. For instance, in 1944, Professor of Anatomy Dr. Harold Burr and his team discovered that each being has an electrical field or aura. Moreover, invisible electric ties connect us all to ourselves and the universe. Keep an open mind and be ready to embrace new perspectives and ideas. In the 1960s, Soviet scientists photographed the aura. As they later named it, Kirlian photos demonstrated the various rays of light emanating from an object. This experiment became the basis for further studies, where Dr. Lee R. Steiner used these photos to observe his patient's progress and emotional state. As the Kirlian test has shown, a person's aura changes with their feelings. Thus, our mental state can drastically affect our electrical state. Consequently, we can consciously or unconsciously change the field of everything around us, from the people we meet to life-changing events that happen to us. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. Buddha. In essence, every idea has the seed of creation and the potential for monumental change. People learn to transform them into reality because they believed in their purpose, higher powers, or themselves. We can all hack reality. All we need is faith. Key point 3. The unsung hero within your subconscious mind. We have a powerful ally within us, often hidden in the shadows. It's our subconscious mind. Throughout history, various cultures have tried to fathom its depths, sometimes calling it the soul, spirit, or inner power. No matter the name, one fact remains. This force consistently drives, guides, and surprises us with its capabilities. Imagine a guardian, always alert and prepared to come to your aid, especially in trying times. They don't rest, always warning us of impending dangers and empowering us to accomplish seemingly impossible tasks. Our subconscious mind is the guardian. It's an internal compass that guides us even when we are unaware of its nudges. Consider a moment when, after hours of racking your brain for a solution, you wake up the next day with a clear answer. That's your subconscious in action. While you rest, it continues to process, analyze, and solve. But this invisible power shines the most when it comes to creativity. Many artists and scientists describe moments of inspiration seemingly appearing from thin air. These are instances where the subconscious serves us ideas that have been simmering in the background without us ever realizing. Take time daily to quieten your mind and tune into your inner voice. Our subconscious is the core of our emotions, where our dreams, fears, and desires reside. When we align our active goals with these deep-seated emotions, magic happens. It's like a turbo boost pushing us closer to our aspirations. Just as we have two eyes, hands, and feet, we have two minds, the conscious and the subconscious. Unlike our subconscious, the former operates in our head, making us aware of our surroundings, recognizing our environment, understanding emotions, and recalling past experiences. The key lies in bridging our conscious decisions and subconscious desires. A harmonious alliance between these two can lead to unparalleled achievements. So, while the subconscious might seem elusive, its effects are palpably transformative. Embracing and nurturing this force can open up possibilities previously unthinkable. True strength comes from within. The next time you're seeking inspiration or facing a hurdle, listen to your inner voice, ever ready to steer and support you. Did you know? According to a Yoga Journal article in April 2021, karma is action channeled by thought. In other words, if you keep repeating and believing you are doomed, you can create problems and challenges, ultimately proving you're right. Key point 4. The spark igniting change. Belief is potent. It can reshape circumstances, turning the most doubtful situations into tales of triumph. When someone instills confidence, barriers crumble, and what seems unreachable suddenly draws closer. This inherent power allows a sports team on the verge of losing to change its fate. One shout, one word of encouragement can reignite their spirits and set them on the path to victory. It's not just about their skills or training. The power of their conviction makes the difference. Write down your goals to keep them in focus. But beyond the playing field, this power holds in the face of life's harshest challenges. Whether someone's stranded amidst tumultuous waves or trapped in a blazing inferno, the genuine conviction that they will survive and find a way out becomes the dividing line between hope and despair. American philosopher Ralph Waldo Emerson highlighted that our immediate reactions, powered by deeply rooted beliefs, often prove the most beneficial in these pivotal moments. Individuals tap into this reservoir of inner strength repeatedly, defying odds and displaying almost superhuman resilience, not due to sheer physical might, but because of the mental fortitude that comes from genuine belief. Thought is the original source of all wealth, all success, all material gain, all great discoveries and inventions, and of all achievement. Claude M. Bristol. Our minds wield another incredible tool, the power to shape reality through mental imagery. It's called visualization. Take the case of a young salesman named Bob, who was apprehensive about a potential client. His view of this client, Mr. Smith, was dominated by fear due to past tales and Smith's imposing energy. Yet his approach dramatically shifted when Bob changed his mental image of his client, visualizing him in a humorous, less daunting light. The once intimidating figure now seemed approachable, even comical. This cognitive pivot armed Bob with the confidence to navigate the situation successfully. Our minds are like a personal movie theater, showing scenes based on our thoughts. By focusing on positive and hopeful scenarios, we set ourselves up to tackle challenges better. In sum, trusting in yourself and using visualization are practical ways to approach challenges. Remember to stay positive and imagine a successful outcome when facing a challenging situation. These simple steps often make a big difference in the results. Key point 5. The secret strategy of success. The mirror affirmation technique is a straightforward and effective way to boost personal growth. It's as basic as it gets. Stand in front of a mirror, maintain eye contact with yourself, and voice positive affirmations. This strategy isn't about boosting ego. It's a tried and true method to reconnect with your strengths and potential. This approach has tangible results. Consider someone who felt overwhelmed at a social event. By stepping away and taking a few minutes with a mirror to recenter, they regained their calm and enjoyed the rest of the evening. And this method isn't limited to personal achievements. Historical giants like Winston Churchill and Woodrow Wilson utilized this technique to enhance their speeches. Speaking to their reflection helped them not only rehearse their words, but also instill them deeply into their psyche, ensuring a more impactful delivery to their audience. The mirror technique has real-world applications too. Industries ranging from insurance firms to cookie manufacturers employ this method, especially for salespeople and production operators. By facing their reflection and verbalizing positive goals, workers can delve into their subconscious, solidifying their belief in their capabilities. Spend 5 minutes meditating or deep breathing each day. The intricacies of the human mind continue to baffle and amaze scientists and researchers. Deep within our brains lies a treasure trove of untapped potential, waiting to be discovered and harnessed. When we look around us, the advancements in today's world, ranging from life-changing technologies to revolutionary discoveries, all trace back to the power of individual thought and sheer determination. Drawing a parallel from nature, this process can be likened to the journey of a seed. When a gardener plants a seed, it's more than just placing it in the soil. It's about choosing the right soil, ensuring adequate sunlight, and watering it consistently. Similarly, the dreams and goals we harbor are like seeds. Their realization depends largely on how we nurture them. If you have an aspiration, no matter its size, by focusing on it and dedicating your energy toward its cultivation, you are, in essence, creating the ideal conditions for its growth. So, as you reflect on your aspirations, remember this simple yet profound truth. Our dreams and goals need our continuous attention, focus, and effort to manifest into reality. Key point 6. The mysteries of nature. Throughout history, women have demonstrated the incredible force of belief. They've used this power to achieve beautiful things, leaving a mark on the world. Think about Mary Baker Eddy. Despite numerous obstacles and critics, she didn't waver. Her teachings gave birth to Christian Science and influenced medicine and theology. Then there's Florence Nightingale. Her commitment and belief in better healthcare practices reshaped nursing and saved countless lives. Their stories send a clear message. When you deeply believe in something, it can become your reality. Most women have what is called women's intuition. This deep inner feeling and knowledge of today's world gives them a unique advantage. It helps women achieve great things in areas traditionally seen as men's domains. And it doesn't stop with significant, global achievements. On a personal level, this power of belief effectively attracts positive outcomes in professional and personal lives. It's like a mental tool they've always had, and now women are learning to use it even more effectively. Talk to someone when self-doubt creeps in. But having a belief is just the start. To truly make a dream come true, you need to take action. This is where initiative comes into play. Imagine having a great idea and not doing anything about it. It just stays an idea. However, life changes for the better when you turn your thoughts into action and take that first step. Paying attention to what you do and having a genuine interest will always give better results. After all, we often excel at things we're passionate about. The natural world offers some hints about this power of belief and intent. Scientists once did a test with moths. They placed a female in one location and a male 4 miles away. In just a few hours, the male found the female. This experiment made people wonder if our intentions and beliefs can send out signals that help us achieve our goals. Similarly, birds mysteriously flock when bread is left in a backyard, sensing its presence. Such phenomena hint at potential communication forms, perhaps telepathy in the natural world, yet to be understood by science. Thus, whether you're aiming for a significant change in the world or a personal goal, believing in it is the first step. Remember, what you are truly confident about has the potential to shape your world. Conclusion. All around us, we see tangible evidence of human creativity and innovation. From skyscrapers that touch the clouds, to the intricate gadgets we use daily, Each started as a simple idea in someone's mind. The transition from an abstract concept to a concrete reality hinges on two vital elements: belief in the idea and determined action to realize it. History is rich with tales of individuals who dared to challenge the status quo. They all shared a common trait: an unwavering conviction in their beliefs and the perseverance to act on them. But the power of belief continues beyond grand historical events or technological marvels. On a more personal level, our subconscious mind plays a pivotal role in guiding our decisions and actions. It's like an inner compass, offering nudges and directions, even when we're not consciously seeking them. Once you send a clear message to your subconscious, detailing your desires and goals, it won't be long before you see them manifest. This internal guidance system becomes even more potent when we infuse it with confidence and belief. Take, for instance, prominent women throughout history who, despite societal expectations, used their vision and determination to revolutionize industries. Similarly, observations from the natural world suggest that creatures operate on certain instincts or signals that align with their intentions. Remember, the powerful trio of thought, belief, and action crafts our fate. Engage with them fully and watch the world mold around your aspirations. Try this. Reflect daily. Stand in front of a mirror, affirm your goals, and visualize your achievements. Trust your intuition. Listen to that inner voice. It offers valuable guidance. Act on ideas. If you believe in something, take a step, however small, toward making it real. Stay passionate. Ensure that what you're working on excites you. Passion fuels progress.